Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimals and powers of 10 worksheet part 2. So this video presents a worksheet where we can practice dividing particular decimals by powers of 10. Now, we have had a lesson on this topic, so if you are not sure what to do, then the next slide, there is a link. Click on the link and it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each and every one of the examples. So let's see what's required here. Divide each of the following decimals by the given power of 10. So number 1, 54.6 divided by 10. Now 10 is 10 to the power of 1. So that power is 1, and the lesson tells you what to do when the power is 1. This number divided by 100, we know that 100 is 10 squared. So the power is 10 to the power of 2, or that number is 10 to the power of 2. So we know what to do when we're doing division, when we're dividing by 10 squared. We're dividing this number by 1,000, which is 10 to the power of 3. And the lesson is quite clear on what happens in that regard. Here we have 3 examples where we're dividing by 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 3, and 10 to the power of 4, respectively. For number 7, this is the number 78, and we have discussed previously where the decimal point is located in this particular number. So once you've located the decimal point, you know how many places to move to the left. This one is quite straightforward because that's 10 squared. Over here, divide by the appropriate powers of 10 to make the following conversions. Now here, we are making conversions, for example, from one unit to another. And we have different types of units here involved. The only way you can do this is if you know the conversion. For example, when we ask you to change 670 millimeters to centimeters, you need to know how many millimeters in 1 centimeter, how many centimeters in 1 meter, how many meters in 1 kilometer, how many square meters make up a hectare, and for the last two, you need to know how many milliliters make up a litre. So if you know those conversions, then you will know what power of 10 to divide by. So this video has given us a worksheet where we can practice dividing different decimals by powers of 10. And if you need help, the next slide has a link on it. Click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do each and every one of these examples.